from the gas, grains of dust condensed. The dust then stuck together to become little rocks. The little rocks stuck together to become bigger rocks. The bigger rocks stuck together to become what are called planetesimals, which means asteroids. The word means little planets, but asteroids basically. And then the asteroids stuck together in various ways to become the planets we see. Now, you'll be told in the textbooks and science programs and all the rest of it that this is how it all got here. Minor detail, though, is that the model doesn't actually work. You can get dust from gas, and you can get dust to stick together. Just look under your furniture for proof of that, right? But what you don't get is rocks beyond about this big. When the rocks get to be about this big, they have enough mass to start breaking each other apart as they collide. I mean, these things are going thousands of miles an hour. So imagine smashing boulders together thousands of miles an hour. Do you get bigger boulders as a result of that, or do you get rubble? You get rubble. So enough mass to be destructive, not enough mass to overcome that with constructive gravity. And so this is where formation stops, this size right here, which is why you see quotes like this one. This is one of my astrophysics textbooks. Once these planetesimals have been formed, the planetesimals being asteroids, further growth of planets may occur through their gravitational accretion into large bodies, but just how that takes place is not understood. The formation of planetesimals, the kilometer-sized planetary precursors, is still a puzzling process. And by the way, I'm quoting a lot of people in my presentation this evening. Unless I say otherwise, they're all secular. They do not accept creation. So you're hearing this in their own words. How the first stage of this process, primary accretion, works is a fundamental unsolved problem of planetary science. Now, do they know that they have this problem in their models? Well, yes, of course they do. I'm quoting them. How do they get around this? Well, they've been struggling with this for a long time now, because this is basic physics here. I mean, you know, rocks traveling thousands of miles an hour make little rocks, not big ones. So the current favored explanation is that, as this quote says, objects must have grown very rapidly from sub-meter-sized pebbles into 100-kilometer-sized bodies, possibly in a single leap. In other words, rocks this big turned into rocks the size of Rhode Island without passing through intermediate stages or sizes. Is this a scientific model? Or is this a bunch of hand-waving to paper over some big problems in the model? So we could actually stop right there as far as the solar system is concerned, because the secular modelers don't have any building blocks to make anything from.